So what I really love about having the Collage Creator Kit is that everything is layered inside of Photoshop. You get all the different assets and then some preset templates. But if you wanted to change this layout, we can extend the background here. I can just stretch this out. It's just a nice texture in the back. There is a vignette there that I'll click on and drag out as well. And let's say we wanted to add some more of these Polaroids. Control or click the different layers that I want to duplicate, and then hold down Alt or Option, click and drag. And I can create another and another and another, and I can put these wherever I want, move them, rotate them if I want. Now I'll take all of these, I'm gonna select all of these layers, and I'll just press Control or Command G to group them and then center this on the canvas. Down here on this little tag, I'll just center those individually. I could always stretch out that background as well. Then we can just add our photos. Click on any template here, click on Add Photo, double click, and just put it right in. So we're creating collages, custom, perfect in seconds with the Photobacks Collage Creator Kit.